too wet for them to work. Let's go check them out. Looks like they're back in the deer pens. They had to blade it off just a little bit this morning, but got her slicked off pretty good. Sun coming up, then they pop over them trees and gonna get hot again. Loading big trees this morning. A little bit slick this morning coming out of that loading pad. Easing him up with that skidder. Y'all look at this. It's gonna look a lot different here in just a little while. Hear them beeping. They coming this way. Alright y'all, time to do a little spraying. We're going to be spraying clover today, and the chemicals that we are using today is clethodim and 2,4-DB. Kill all the grasses and stuff, everything but the clover. Alright y'all, so I got it loaded full of water, excuse me, chemical. About a third of the way up on that tank. When I was filling it up, I noticed it's got a leak, so leaking around one of the fits that comes out of the tank. So I'm gonna run down here where I don't lose all this chemical at least. Get this out. I sure didn't want to drain all that chemical to work on it. We're gonna try to get this out anyway. We're gonna hustle down here and get this out. I'll see it dripping right there a little bit. This fitting right here is the one that's leaking. They will be alright. Boy, there's a lot of clover right here. go too fast because I won't get the coverage that I want. It'll be alright. Alright, I'm on my last run down through this field. Probably got a third of a tank left. Just gonna leave the motor running and try to get to another field real quick before too much leaks out. Hope I ain't going too fast. I think we're gonna be alright. A lot of clover right there. By now, every once in a while there'll be a clip in one of my videos that has no sound. Sometimes when it does that, I just take it out. Sometimes I don't. Y'all just have to bear with me. That's the way of a GoPro. Sometimes a GoPro has a mind of its own. This does that. So y'all just bear with me. I don't mean for it to be that way, and you don't never know until you edit it. Sometimes I clip it out, and sometimes I don't. So y'all just bear with us. We ain't professionals. Alright, I just clipped this field, but it ain't gonna hurt to go ahead and spray it because it's still got grass. This thing got some clover too. I think I got enough to get this one. Then we'll have to see what's wrong with this sprayer and why it's leaking. Y'all got it looking a lot different there. About all that's standing now is some gum trees. We got to get a little bit of hardwood down there and just a couple pines left. They knocking her on down. Alright y'all, me and Pete's loaded up. We have got to run to town for a minute. I keep 4 or 5 jugs of gas for the Rangers, lawnmowers and everything. I'm out of gas, so we gotta go get some gas. I got the spray rig draining, and we'll see if we can't see what's wrong with that after a while if we get time. Alright y'all, got the wire up. I gotta put one post back in the middle. Well, it probably ain't gonna be today. It's about 140. It is hot. Alright y'all, the loggers are trying to finish up that little section that they're at before it gets much later, and then I think they're going to try to move and start in another little spot tomorrow. But while they're working on that, I have got to get started on some grass. I don't know if I'll get it all today, but maybe we'll get a good start and finish it tomorrow. Hadn't got time to get to the spray rig yet, but I got it drained. I don't think it's going to be a big deal to fix. We're going to pull it down there at some point to the shop with the fan on, because it is smoking today. I think the heat index is about 110. Some tricky cutting right now behind the barn. 4 trees left. We're gonna get them. He been dreading them 4 trees, but he got them. Done good. He didn't want to hit my barn for sure, and didn't even hit the fence. I told him if he hit anything to hit the fence, but he did good. Now we back to cutting grass. They cleaned my road out pretty good right here. They'll be hauling through this road. They were loading right here. Got the loader up here. They must be working on the road. Had to get a couple of loads of dirt hauled in to put across this gas line to build it up. You have to get it up to a certain height where it don't mess the piping all up. So that's what this is. We're gonna end up with a good road right here too. Oh yeah, he's slicking them off good. They'll be traveling with the trucks down here, so he's gonna fix it up right. Up there working on the new loading pad. Now I got to go feed the dogs and stuff, and I'm about ready to call it a day. Been one of them days, but anyway, if y'all like our stuff, subscribe to us. Hollis Farms, hats, t-shirts, and stickers. HollisFarms.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.